Look at our cameras. We got the 301 this morning. We ready to go. Alright boys, we'll see y'all in a little while. So guys, day 2, Alabama turkey season. Had to get in here real quick. Everywhere, there's people everywhere hunting. I just heard a bird. Bad windy this morning. Straight up there yonder. I might be. I drove by that turkey this morning. Gracious. That turkey is literally we gotta get moving. He's gobbling pretty good. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright guys. We came around this turkey in a truck. He ain't real far. He's right off in this bottom. Yes, sir. Man, I don't know if I got on camera again. I had to do it. He come up. I'm talking about right on me. But we got a good bird. Number 2. That's number 2 for Ghost Ridge. Alabama, day number 2. What do you think about that? Let's go check him out. Put that 20 to work. That verdict ammunition cut him a flip. Get this camera set up. What's up, guys? We got us a pretty bird this morning. He started gobbling pretty early this morning, but this was kind of my third choice. First spot, people were parked at. My second spot, people were parked at. So I just decided to stop at a spot over here about a quarter of a mile, walked out on the gas line and listened. It was windy, real windy. Lightning was going off when I came in. so I didn't have high hopes for gobbling, but the wind kind of slacked off right at daylight, gobbling time, and I heard this bird fire off over here in this bottom. And I came up the gas line and decided there was too many big hollows in between me and him, so I decided to come on around in the truck, and that's what I did. So we got in here pretty close to him, and we came down this old logging road here, and he was gobbling on his own, so I knew it was going to be a pretty good setup. So I passed him where I wasn't on the roadside. I got past him where he'd come back towards that gas line I was on early this morning, but it didn't take but a couple minutes. He finally answered me. He was a pretty good ways down in this hollow, but he come back pretty quick and decided he wanted to play the game. He was a fun turkey. Looks like a good 2-year-old. He looked like he's broke his spurs before, but either way, he was fun to hunt. Good gobbling turkey on a windy day, and I don't know if I got it on camera. He was getting the way we had to set up was he'd come up the hill and it dropped off pretty steep, and when he come up top that hill he didn't see a hen and he got a little iffy. He strutted a couple times. You may be able to hear that on camera, but after that second strut and he didn't see or hear another hen, he was just fixing to go back down in that bottom where he come from. But either way, he was a fun turkey. We're proud to have him. I appreciate you guys coming along with Ghost Ridge. If I didn't get him on camera, I'm sorry. I hope I did. We put that new 301 Stevens 20 gauge to work this morning. He cut him a flip with that verdict ammunition. I tell you what, that's some pretty good stuff. Shooting 9-shot in it, but he was probably 15 steps. So my wad was probably real tight. I'm actually shooting my factory choke, so it did good out to 40, and that's what I'm gonna leave in it. I appreciate you guys. Y'all keep on following. It's gonna be a good season.